Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So this is my new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and it is 1 month old. Okay, so I purchased this phone on 18th of Feb. So I'm pretty much satisfied with this phone. No lags, no kind of issues I'm facing. Probably it is a new phone, but still being it is a new phone, so I am not facing any issues, any lag. I don't have any complaint with this phone. Okay, like obviously everything is having pros and cons. So before buying anything, so maybe it may be a phone, car, or anything, or house. So obviously we usually go to their pros and cons, like what is the best thing, what is the bad thing about a product. Okay, so in the similar way you may be seen many videos on internet about the comparison of this phone with iPhone and the other models and all that, especially the iPhone. Okay, I don't know why we compare two big giant companies like Samsung and Apple. Obviously it is a marketing thing, so it's fine, but for me this phone suits the best of its class by Samsung as of now. Fully loaded with all of the features, everything is there in this phone. You have the phone option, you have the S series option, you have the Note series option of the Samsung with the S Pen. You can use your S Pen, use your phone, as in like you are using the S series. Okay, and camera quality and the heating problem is pretty much resolved as compared to the previous editions in this phone. Okay, and the durability, the stability of using the usage of phone. Okay, so I pretty much use it for my official purpose also, and I'm very much satisfied, like and the battery backup also, the main issue of the phones. Okay, so we all are facing it is having a good battery backup. Okay, so like I usually charge it in the morning and it lasts till in the night, so I'm pretty much satisfied with that. And so today in this video I would like to show you something. Obviously it may sound weird to some of you, but it may sound good also, because because it is a very cheap thing. Okay, you can build it, you can print it at your home also, and you don't need any high guidance for using this thing. So you can see this phone is having the back cover. Okay, and obviously front glass cover also. The back cover is the transparent cover. Okay, so let me show you at the back what I have done with this phone. You can see that. So you must be pretty much seeing like this in this phone. I have changed the back cover. Probably it is a transparent cover. You can see that. I'll show you. Removing this back cover. So what I have done, I have installed the skin. I have not installed the skin. Okay, so what I have done, I have print this on a glossy paper. Okay, print this photo on a glossy paper and simply put it on the transparent back cover to make it feel good. Ignore this cuttings and all. I'm not pretty much good in cutting this, so maybe because this is my first time I did that, so please forgive me for this part, but still let me know how it look like. So it's pretty much easy to build this kind of skins. Okay, rather than purchasing it online. If you have a colored printer or a black and white also, not an issue. Okay, and you need like a color printer and a glossy paper. Okay, and your PC or laptop and systems to print the image. Okay, you can do it from your mobile also. So let me quickly this remove this back cover, and I'll show you how it look like without this image. Okay, so now you can see I have removed this cover from the phone. So obviously pretty much this color of the phone, the black color, the black finish look like wow. Okay, so it's up to your choice how which color you want to purchase for this phone, but for me this black stunning color look like just wow. Okay. So keeping a phone aside for a few minutes, let's talk about this transparent cover. So let me remove this image also from the phone. Okay, so this is the transparent cover, okay, which I purchased with the phone. So it look pretty much like you can purchase it from the online store also for this cover. Okay, so what I did, this is a glossy paper. Okay, so I just print this image, cut the camera cutout of the back cover, and just put this image on the back cover like this, and become your phone skin. So let me put the phone also. Let me put the phone. So see how is it look like. So you must be wondering, like, people outside India must don't know about this image. So this is like our Lord Shiva's photo, Lord Shiv photo. Okay, so I'm a Shiva follower. Okay, so this is written Om Namah Shivaya. This is also an image, this is also an image, and the background is also an image. So let's quickly jump into like the creation of this cover and this image, how you can do this. So let's quickly jump into that, and I'll show you like how you can build this build the cover like this at your home only. Okay, so friends, let's start building the phone back skin. Okay, which you can probably put into your phone back cover, transparent back cover. So as you can see my screen, I have already created this cover which I have just shown you. Okay, so how you can create another cover for that, so I'll show you that. So you would probably need 2 3 images. Okay, and then Word also, obviously the software on which you will be going to create this image. So I have the image ready with me, so I'll just copy this image. Okay, it's just an image of a water. Okay, now the phone back, the phone size, like how to crop this image. So just simply double click on the image, you will see an option crop and height, width. Okay, so you can probably choose from there also, that you can choose the artistic effects, and then artistic effects option. Okay, now in the artistic effects option, you can go to the first one, picture here, click on crop, and then click on the crop position. Okay, now the width of the image, the back cover should be 3.02 inches. Okay, and the height should be 6.29 inches. Okay, so what you can do after you put the height and width, then Probably I need to check that. 6.33 and 3.02. Okay. So it will be 6 point not 29, it will be 6.33. Okay. So but a little bit more big. What you can do is you can double click on the image. You can see the border around the image. The image is small, so you need to just click on crop here, and you can just stretch this image to fill this border line of the image size. You can probably stretch a little bit more here. Okay, so it will be like easy to cut out the leftover portion, so you can adjust the image as per your need. Okay, so it's ready now. The background image is ready. Now what I will do, uh like remember, the first image should be of the jpg. Okay, jpg format. Then it's fine. The second image means that the image which you have to paste above this image to make the background clear. Okay, or you can use any of the customized image. So what I did is I have converted this image from jpg to png and made that image background as a transparent background. So if you click on that, you can see the image, the background is not there. I use the photo room software, the website, to make this. You can do that. So I just copy this image and paste it over here, so it will be pasted below this image. So what you have to do in order to move this image over this image, so what you have to do, so first of all, this image, the size of the image looks more. So I'll just crop this image again to make it a little shorter. You can I'll just crop the border also. Okay, and then little crop from the left and right side also. Okay, now you can see the image is beside, and the image is pasted beside because the size has been cropped to small. Right click the image, click on wrap text, click on tight or through. Okay, when you click on tight, it will not save. You click on you have to click on, I think, through. Okay, yeah, through. No, it not it worked for me. Not sure why it's not working. Let me check that again. Okay, right click, through. Where is the, okay, so it is like I clicked on the first image and I clicked on right click and then wrap text and through. Okay, so through means you can click on, I choose the tight one also. I'm not sure why it is not working. So now right click this image again and click on send to back. So now this image, the second image, will be coming above this image, and you can simply adjust your image as per the requirement. Okay, now what you have to do for this camera cutout. Okay, so camera cutout size should be 2.11 and 1.34. Okay, so what you can do is go to your image again and then click on insert, and then shapes, and then choose this one, this image, and probably paste it here. resize the image, resize this image size was 2.21 and 1.34. So this should be double click, 2.21 and 1.34. Okay, the width should be a little higher. Okay, so place this over the, like, few inches from the top and the left side, few inches above. Choose that, right click, or you can leave it as it is because you have to cut it out. So what I did is right click, so not a right click, I did a shape fill and no fill here, so it's probably becomes a translucent. Okay. Now what you can do for the same image, okay, I'll copy this image from here only and I put it here because this is the true image only. So like wrap text image, so I'll put it here. Okay, so probably you can adjust that your images. Okay, so your the skin is ready now. You can take the printout on a glossy paper and put it put it inside your back cover. Okay, so in this way you can create many of your the back skins. If you have a transparent cover, so you just need the transparent cover, phone cover, and softwares and your printer only to print the image, and one of the glossy paper only. So let me know how how did you like this video, or probably anything else you would like to cascade me, or you would like to tell me about this phone, or about this this creativity. I know this is a simple creativity, it's not a rocket science and all that. I totally agree on it, but please don't put the negative comments. But still, this is something like for a beginner, if you want to, so you can probably do it at your home, rather than purchasing the costly cases from the market. So probably just a small gesture to your phone to look nice, so you can probably do it. So thank you so much for your patience, for your for watching this video. So do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and spread my channel to your family and friends, and stay tuned for more videos. To stay peace, stay tuned, and stay happy. Thank you so much.